What is going on, everybody? Welcome back, and what's showing it? I know it's been hella long since we've uploaded. We've all been hella busy with shit. Fucking past 2 months have been very hectic as far as me getting a new job and shit. So yeah, so sorry about the fucking disappearance in uploads, but today moving some shit because we about to start working on this hatch today. We got Mandy Mando uncovering the hatch over here. Say what's up.
What's good, what's good?
Everybody welcome us back because we've been gone for what, like 2 months?
Yeah, cool.
Yep, but I think, did he say what we were gonna do today? I think today we were gonna do something with the turbo. I don't know what else, but something with the hatch. I just know it's turbo fitting. That's one thing. So if he could, you know, let me help him out. We got the Z back here. Where's the CR? Oh, look at Mr. Guy.
Is this thing on?
No. Yeah, but what are we doing besides the turbo?
Probably just gonna clean the car, to be honest. It's been sitting, it's all dusty and dirty.
Let me hide these.
It's probably spiders in there. Yeah, we're just gonna see what all the hatch needs done, and we're gonna go from there. Don't know exactly what. It's kind of just a random day, whatever we feel like doing today, kind of situation.
Yeah, cause
you got this with these freaking door panels on here?
Yes, sir.
Sheesh, that's nice. It's on there. I can't even tell.
yeah, cause he realized the fucking he realized the whole motor, right, is pretty much Garbo. The bottom end of the motor of the truck is pretty much Garbo, so she's sitting here for a while. Yeah.
But y'all kind of probably already know it's gonna happen. So yeah, we got other plans. Probably don't even need to say it, but yeah. So I'm just trying to weigh my options with the hatch and the truck, what I want to do, because we need another car because my wife's job and stuff. So don't want her taking Uber. That stuff gets expensive. So
hell yeah.
We trying to get that situated, but I'm just trying to see which will be cheaper and faster to do, and then go from there.
Yeah, so she's gonna be sitting here for a while
because I still got to get the hatch registered.
Yeah, so she's gonna sit here for a while because
maybe it depends.
You say you might have found a possible replacement for
well,
it?
no, I found where I could get it, so.
Gotcha. So
yeah, I just got to get the money.
There's shit coming, but we've just been busy. Yeah. I just started the plumbers union. You had just started your job, so you was working weekends.
Yeah.
And
life, y'all.
Yeah, life.
But no excuses. We coming back.
We did have another video which we didn't upload because me being me, I forgot I had the footage in there, and I just got too lazy now to fucking edit it. So you guys won't ever see that, but we changed the brake pads on the Z. That's the last thing we did before we went MIA. So let's get to work. We gotta push this. We gotta get this thing pushed.
Yeah, I was gonna push it up here.
So we'll see you guys right now where we start putting.
Tell the camera what happened. The keys got locked in the truck, and all the keys are connected. So the truck keys are locked in the truck, and the hatch keys are locked in the truck.
And the truck is over there. The hatch is here, which the hatch was supposed to be up in there.
But don't worry, the CRX keys are in my pocket.
And my Z keys are in my pocket.
It wasn't that this wrench didn't fit.
It's 'cause you didn't
we only
have
had
one.
Yeah.
Yep.
And now we got two. So somebody.
So now we gotta work out here in the not so
nothing, huh?
sunny.
Well, it was gonna be outside anyway, cause I still want to wash it. So.
Yeah. So we're working it.
All right, I'm gonna go put
Oh,
my
yeah.
car in the garage.
All right.
Jack it up and all that.
And last time we left off, we disconnected all this.
We just gotta get.
We
this-
just didn't have the right size wrench.
Well, no, we didn't have two wrenches. I only had one crescent wrench that fit, and we needed another one. And I just never went and got one until yesterday or the other day. I got one for my job. As soon as I closed the last door, I was like, I was like, there's no way. I put my hand in my pocket. And
So that's the story of us.
story of our life.
Can't get shit done up in here because everybody want to do something wrong.
Some dumb shit always happens. Like I told y'all, bro.
We aren't. That's why you guys are seeing the what do you call it?
This is what really happens. This is the stuff that they don't put in the
Right.
videos. This type of dumb shit.
So now we got. Did you ever call insurance?
Yeah, I'm waiting on the thing.
So we're waiting on them to come and unlock the truck so we could get the keys out. So we could push the hatch out here. But we got CRX. I believe he's doing an oil change. He's gonna do that while we're over here doing the turbo shit. He's fucking hilarious. So
Too big still. That one fits.
yeah, we'll get back when the turbo's out. It's out.
It's out.
All we needed was just one crescent wrench.
He's out too.
Yep. Out with the old. Drum roll, please. In with the new.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
Shit, blinging.
Blinging,
You
blinging.
see that? Look like some brand new boy. This how the rappers be.
That's the thumbnail right there.
Yep, but we finna test fit it, cause believe it or not, it's not the turbo that I ordered. The back housing is different than what I ordered. As you see, that turbo is a 4-bolt back housing, and this one ain't. It's a V-band. So that I just gotta make sure that this inlet size is the right size for the turbo manifold. And if that's the case, then we'll be good, and I'll just switch to a V-band exhaust setup, because I need a new exhaust any fucking way. So
Yep.
but this is money right here.
Money, money, money.
This is really nice. And just like that, damn, that shit looks hella good.
Fuck. I feel
That
like
shit
that
looks-
sticks out more than
That
that.
shit looks fire. That shit looks hella good. Yes, sir. So yeah, with that being said, like I said, everything seems to have decent amount of clearance. So we're good here.
As far as
Everything
heat
else is-
goes,
Huh?
as far as heat goes, you don't have to put no heat shield or anything. Heat blanket.
You don't have to, but I mean, it don't hurt it. So most guys do. I'm probably going to.
Cause that's the.
it'll just
exhaust
look better,
manifold
too.
Right here, right?
Yeah, this is the turbo manifold,
Gotcha.
exhaust manifold.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Easier
gonna get
and
a turbo
cleaner.
guard for this. Just because, as you can see, there's really nothing stopping debris from flying up in here. So want to protect the turbo as much as possible. But yeah, this one actually fit a lot better than that one, because if you come look over here, you see where the the back of the compressor wheel housing is. Right here, you see how much, like we got about a finger space there,
Right.
so these bolts won't really catch the header.
Right.
On this one here, this eBay turbo, we got about like half of that space on here, so whenever we had to rotate the turbine housing, we always had a problem with like tightening these bolts up, and we had to, you know, like hella fucking try to work it and get these bolts tightened back up, as well as trying to turn the turbo to get it out and in and whatever else we were trying to do. So I'm happy about that, on top of obviously it's a much more quality turbo than that one was. That was like 150 bucks. This one was $1,000. So I also found where to get another 44 millimeter wastegate. I was having trouble with that for whatever fucking reason. It just seemed like they were out of stock everywhere, but now there's I know about a local store that has some, and then all the places that I was checking online, they have them in stock now, so I should be able to get a tile wastegate for this and get rid of that eBay one, so I don't have to worry about the deuce spiking and none of that stuff, because we don't need nothing blowing up. So
We got Mondo over there
Mondo in
doing
there
his oil change.
changing the oil and dancing. We got a
But
whole bunch of randomness.
that's it for this one.
Yeah, until we clean it or whatever.
We're just gonna clean
Y'all
it
see
and
some of
y'all
that.
see it.
Yeah. Once
We'll
can
get
it
back
in the
once we
driveway.
start cleaning and driving it. And, well, not driving it, but put it up in the driveway maybe and whatnot. So.
All right, y'all. We in the CRX. Finna take the shifter out, put the B&M shifter in. Mondo's down there somewhere. Why is this? It looks so dark. I don't know. I don't know how to use this thing, so it might be dark. But yeah, he's down there. So we're about to get this out. His oil's changed already, cause yeah, that's
the camera.
that was just that, and he didn't show the camera. So yeah, that's where we're at. And then once we're done with this, we're gonna go from there. Just waiting for the locksmith to get here so we could get the keys out the truck, and then we'll wash and clean the interior of the hatch. So yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Tell them what you did. Tell the people what you did. There you are.
What, motherfuckers? We just finished putting that short throw shifter in there.
Yeah,
I was
look,
saying it
look
feels
at
pretty
this.
good. It looks pretty good. Shit, you should have seen. Hey, listen,
Boy.
where that other one?
Yeah, y'all should have seen the other one.
That other one used to.
But he had my man's had the shit in here backwards.
Hey, whoa.
Hella other shit.
Listen, sometimes you start a project and you can't finish, and when you push it back together, it be all wonky. You fucking.
Walkie slide.
That thing bleeding to the, you know what I mean?
Walkie slush.
That thing bleeding, P.
Go the old one though. If anybody want this, you could turn it into a shit.
Yeah,
knob
see,
or
my man's had it in here this way, so his first gear and all the top gears were hella far forward, and then all the other gears were like in the center. It was hella backwards. It was supposed to be like this.
And I sure ain't fix
But
it because I was waiting. To
Now we got this one in here. We got the little Pokeball shift knob.
Yeah.
You know, got this from 1320. We got a 1320 pretty close to us, which is cool. So we got that. Yeah. So. Yep. The shifter is pretty much done.
Let me see what's up with that thing.
Yeah,
Let's see how it feels.
let this man get in here so he can see what it do. Feel the difference. Get in there.
Oh, bitch. Fuck, that's gonna take some getting used to. Them shits is immediate.
Yes. Race car stuff.
Damn. That's gonna help so much, dog.
Yes.
Cause I used to get on the freeway and shit.
Didn't know what gear a nigga was in.
I would get on the freeway and that shit would just like I would have to do so much just to put it in fifth, and now it's like literally a little flick of the wrist.
Yes,
Before
sir.
I was reaching for it. It was a whole lot of reaching going on.
Oh yeah, that's really it for this, y'all. Just gonna put the shift boot back in, and then you put the oil in the car already. Yep. So we just drop it.
We could do my brakes.
Or we could do that too.
Only got to do the front.
Yeah. And then the locksmith came for the truck, so I got the keys for the hatch now out, and we can move that back in here and get it all clean. And yeah, that'll really be it for today. Kind of a chill video. So yeah, we'll get to y'all when we start cleaning the hatch and if we decide to do his brakes when we do the brakes. All right, we're back. His car is all cleaned and stuff.
It don't look like it, but it is.
That car is all cleaned and stuff.
It look like it.
Yeah,
It is.
and it is. So we're probably about to end this video here. Yes. Pretty chill day. We didn't really do too much. Like I said, just trying to get the hatch figured out, see what we're gonna do with that. And yeah, that's all this really was. Just to get some more content out there because we've been lacking. So
and to do what car people do.
Mm-hmm.
Do car stuff. That's what car people do.
Yes.
That part.
Yep. So we're about to go help his friend with some stuff on his car, and
Car stuff. Yeah.
that's it. More car stuff. So
That's what car people do.
thanks for hanging out with us. Like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you later.
Yeah.
Peace.